Hi guys, welcome to video lecture, I don't even know anymore, but it is August 20th. We are going to be working on our language of science notes. So the very first thing I would like you to do is to open this page of your notebook, the vocabulary. You're going to use that page to fill out your 4 vocabulary words for the day. So we're going to get into the habit of doing vocabulary every time we do a lecture. So you're going to pause this video and write down those 4 vocab words. Once you're done, you'll unpause and we'll keep going. So welcome back, guys. Our notes today are going to be on this page right here. This one. And this page right here. We are going to be learning the prefixes and suffixes that we'll be using in science. So as you know, scientists have almost a completely different language of complex words, but as scientists, we're going to need to learn them. One way to, without actually memorizing all the words that there are, is to know the different prefixes and suffixes that science use and the definitions for them. For example, astro stands for star, so anything with the word astro in it probably has to do with the star. So this is going to help you deduce the meanings of words if you don't know them. We are going to actually be doing the PowerPoint. I'm going to put it online for you. You're going to be doing it yourself, copying down the different words. So for example, your prefix is anti, the meaning is reverse, and then our example here is anti-inflammatory, so you'd write those 3 things down. If you have any other examples, you're welcome to write them down there as well. Later on, we'll get into the suffixes. After we get through quite a few prefixes. Here are our suffixes. So prefixes are tagged on to the beginning of the words that change their meaning. Suffixes are tagged on to the end that also change their meaning. So for example, our very first one is Klein, which means a gradual change. So you would write Klein under suffix example, meaning a gradual change, and our example is incline. Okay? Then the very next thing that you're going to do after you've got down all these definitions is you are going to fill out this sheet right here, defining science terms. Define each of the following terms using only the prefixes and suffixes listed. So if we were going to do the very first one, we know that anti means reverse, incline means a gradual change. So our definition here would be a reverse gradual change, anticline. Okay, you're going to do all of those, and then you're going to take a picture and send it in to me for your assignment today. Okay, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will check back in with you tomorrow. Goodbye, guys.